If you are somebody who is afraid to start his English learning journey because of grammar, then you should watch this.
What is your name?
My name's Yunita.
Yunita. I am Johan.
Johan.
And you live here?
Yeah, I live here.
You live here.
I live in desert.
Oh, in the desert?
Yeah, in plastic tent.
Oh, in a plastic tent.
Yeah, I don't have house.
You speak very good English.
Thank you, but I don't go to school.
No, I
No
heard.
reading, don't.
Have you watched, guys, how the woman is speaking? She is an uneducated woman. She is speaking like anything. She's sounding so fantastic. Even the foreigner is also admiring her because of her English speaking skills. Yeah, I would like to say it's a skill. It is not a language. Nowadays, wherever you go for a job or for an interview, English is like a skill. It is an inevitable thing to learn. So, an uneducated woman can learn this language. She cannot even write, she cannot even read English, but she is able to speak. If she can do this, why can't you do? Right? So, we should learn something from her. We should learn something from those women that if they can speak, why can't we speak? The only thing she has, and that is an advantage, that she has an environment. Somehow she has the environment to speak with foreigners because she sells something on the beach that foreigners come there and they she talks with them. So that is an advantage for her because she has the environment. She can speak with those people. So it made her a good communicator in English. So you can also do so if you create an environment around you. You can possibly create an environment, and how can you create that? I will tell you. If you watch this video till the end, you can understand how can you do that. This video I'm recording for you because I wanted to motivate you. If an uneducated woman can speak English, why can't you speak? This is the motive of this video because I want you people to speak in English. So, how can you create the environment? If you completely indulge yourself in English, and how can you do so? You have to completely immerse yourself in English. Whatever you do, you must do in English. If you are watching something, you should watch English content. If you are reading something, if you should read English content only. And if you are doing something, you should do in English. I mean, you have to think in English. For an example, if you are going in the market and whatever happening around you, you should think that in English. For an example, if you're walking on the street or if you're walking in the market, you can, if you're seeing somebody is buying, oh, that boy is buying something, oh, I saw him somewhere, oh, that cow is so strange, I think something happened to her. So you should do these kind of things that will make you a good speaker. And the main thing is speaking. There are several applications on Play Store. Everybody knows that. You also know. You don't need to lie with me, right? You can download that and you can speak using that applications. And this is the main aspect. You have to speak as much as you can. You cannot avoid this thing, right? You must speak as much as you can. Devote some time. You have a lot of time. I know that. And use that time to do something valuable and improve your English. If I talk about me, I also started without learning grammar. Initially, you don't need to learn grammar. I'm telling you, you don't need to learn grammar. Even I also started learning English without learning grammar. I directly started speaking with people, then I got to know the structure of English. When you start without even learning grammar, you can understand literally how people are speaking. You can understand the structure of English, the pattern of English, how people are communicating. Your mind will automatically start capturing that those things. You don't need to worry too much about that. Once you jump onto the battleground, you will automatically know how to fight. So the main thing is you have to take a step forward. If you are completely in the comfort zone, how can you learn? You have to come out of your comfort zone. Until and unless you come out of your comfort zone, how can you even think that you can become a good speaker, right? Not only for English, for anything you want to learn, you have to come out of comfort zone. So why I'm telling this? Because that is the truth. Many people nowadays, they are in so much comfort zone. They don't want to feel painful things. They don't want uncomfort things. If you want to grow, you have to embrace the uncomfortable. You have sorry, you have to embrace the uncomfortability. If you have the ability to embrace uncomfortability, you can do anything in your life. Don't procrastinate, start learning today itself. You can do this, it's very easy. I have told in some of my videos that grammar is so necessary, but that for those people who want to learn faster. And now in this video, I'm telling this that you should take a step ahead. You have to you have to come out of your comfort zone. That is why I'm making this video. For a beginner, it is not necessary to learn grammar. First, you have to take a step. You have to start. Once you start, you will automatically understand that how can you learn English. Everything will be automatically happen. You just have to take a step. That's it. Now, don't think a lot. Don't just think that I will do tomorrow, I will do overmorrow. Don't think like this. Don't do this kind of things, yeah. Start learning today itself. Okay, and don't think a lot about people. I also wasted so much time thinking about people. When you speak in English, there will be definitely somebody who will judge you, who will mock you. So don't take it personally. Start learning. Okay, don't think a lot about people. If you think a lot about people, you will lose your precious time. You have whatever the time you have. Each minute is so precious. Every minute is just passing, and you are losing it. You are losing the time. You are losing your precious, so important time. Don't just waste it. Use it for something valuable. Use it to do something valuable things. So I want you to not think a lot about people. Start focusing on yourself, start working on yourself. If you don't do exercise in the morning, do exercise. If you don't do meditation, do meditation. I want you to grow, yeah, in your life. Just do something better. Don't just waste the time. Okay, don't use social media a lot. I'm not saying this because I first uninstalled the Instagram. Then I'm telling you to not waste your time on social media. Use your time properly and learn something valuable. Do something great in your life. Okay. And I have a lot of passion to learn English. Before I used to hate English, but now I just fall in love with English. And if you want to come with me in the journey to become a good English speaker, and if you want to speak like a native speaker, you can join me. And how can you join that? You must have had the question. So simply you don't need to do much things. You just have to click the subscribe button and you can join in my team. You can come with me. Okay. So if you love the video, like it, or otherwise you can dislike it. It's your choice. So I will meet you in the next video. Will meet you soon. Till then, stay